Hey guys, Links here. Just quick update. Sort of restructuring this channel some. Basically, one got out of the habit just because I went to Burning Man and lots of other things, and just it's just crazy summer kind of stuff. But also, they've kind of changed a lot of stuff about YouTube, and it's a very difficult landscape nowadays to kind of make a living with. Basically at all, in kind of any sort of niche that doesn't have like a broader appeal, just because of the numbers involved. So if like you're doing music production, even if there's a million producers, you get a fraction of that. That's still not that many videos, right? Even like the top channels, they only get so much. So it's just a curious landscape. I never really got into this YouTube game for the money. So I'm going to keep going at it. It kind of changes my calculus on how much work I want to do around these videos. Like I really don't like video editing. Maybe I'll get better at it and I'll learn to like it, but I'd rather spend my time on music. So I'm going to do more stuff where I just kind of talk about music theory. I've got some lessons I did with for instance, just recently my buddy Zach I recorded for you guys. He's a computer programmer, and so I'm teaching him how to do Ableton, right? And so I kind of teach him towards how a computer programmer might think. And I do this for all my students, as I sort of teach to them the way they think. But I think I'm going to release a series on teaching people Ableton from day one, all these different people, and sort of categorize it based off of like the type of person they are, like in the ways that they might think or something like that. So I'll figure out how to label those things so it'll make sense to you guys. But that's one of the things I'm going to be doing. Probably longer form sound design stuff where I just sort of take you through the sounds that I'm creating and what's going through my head along the way. I think that's missing, is telling people why you're doing stuff and showing mistakes and stuff like that. It does take a little bit more time to watch, but there's more nuggets of wisdom to be able to get along the way, and those are the things that are actually going to make you a better producer, I think. Not just the bare process, right, but actually understanding the mindset of a producer and a composer, right? Production is fundamentally composition as well. So thinking about your entire song over time, what are you trying to achieve musically, what are you trying to express, like where's your energy going, and how quickly do you want to get there, all those kinds of things. I'm going to be talking more about that kind of stuff. I'm probably going to do stuff on improvisation. I think if really like on keys or whatever you're doing, but you need to be improvising every single day a little bit, it will change your ability to write melodies, to write songs. I can just write songs like on keys just out of nowhere and have a song done. So making it more compelling through production, that's like a second step. But being able to just come up with stuff and never really get writer's block, I think that's really important, to be able to get better melodies by having played out thousands and thousands and thousands of different melodies with different chords in 1,000 different ways, right? It just lets you create much better music on the fly when you're actually writing, instead of just improvising. So I'm going to do a lot of stuff on improvisation. I improvise every day. I've done it for years and years and years and years. So I'll talk about that. I'll probably give a lot more recommendations, maybe, because there's a lot of information that other people have taught better than I have, and I've done a lot of studying over the years and learned a lot of stuff from a lot of people, and a lot of those people are on YouTube. So I'll probably provide a bunch of links. I kind of want to do like a reading list thing, like a video on, how to learn all the stuff that you need to learn in kind of order. And then I also want to do one on all my favorite software and toys and stuff like that. And so that would involve a lot of links and stuff too. So just thought I'd update you guys. I'll probably release this video I did with Zach. There's like 2 of them. It's probably like 2.5 hours long or something. But, we talk about a lot of different things involving production, and it's all for people who, are learning Ableton, are trying to get their head wrapped around like how to use it efficiently, right, and like how to like really harness it. And so we talk about that kind of stuff a lot. All right, love you guys. I will see you around. Hit me up if you need anything, and I will see you later. All right, links out. Peace.